Boom! The markets go bullish. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, June 10th, 2015. And the S&P up 1.2%, the Dow up 1.32%, the Nasdaq up 1.3%, the Russell's up 1.3%, the banks up 1.4%, silver up a smidgen, and gold up more, up 0.85%, with the US dollar down 0.6%, and the VIX dropping a staggering 4.14%. Fear dissipating from this bullish market that we're in now. Taking a look here at the S&P 500 ETF, called the Spider SPY. We said yesterday we had a doji after an extended drop down at a support level, be looking for a bounce, and boom, today, big bounce up here. If I click here on tradingview.com on the little, whatever you call it, the light bulb, you saw that I put in a buy signal yesterday. I actually put it out there on the internet for everybody to know about it. And if you go to the spider, if you go to tradingview.com, go to SPY, and then click on the little, whatever you call it, the light bulb, I guess, that will show you people's ideas. Yesterday's idea, quote unquote, was that I thought the markets were going to go higher. And I put that out on Spider, and sure enough today, boom, huge pop, big pop. So it really made it to the resistance area in one swoop. That's usually what happens. And well, you know what, let's go back. You'll see that I made a couple other posts with the same ideas, and you can follow me. If you go to the Spiders, click here, click on my name, then you can follow me. Well, meet Walter. Instead of cutting this out of the video, I thought I would leave that in. We have a foo-foo dog is what we call it, and it's a cockapoo that my wife and my two daughters wanted to get, and we had guests come over at a time, and anyway, so there's Walter. Now getting back to the markets here. Let's go to, so you'll see that mine's a triangle. The triangle means that I'm the one that posted it. You won't see the triangle because you didn't post my idea. You're just going to see a dot, but make sure you go to yesterday's market to be able to see that. I do have other ones, I'm looking for triangles here, triangles. And here's a triangle. You'll notice when I did this idea, it at one point dipped lower than this, but for the month or so, it's been nothing but to the high side. Here's a triangle right here, this red one, and it's only gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. It's only been higher than my bearish movement by 5 days out of about the month worth of trading. So anyway, I do make calls, and I probably should do it more and more often. And if you want to follow me, feel free to do so. I just showed you how to do that. All right, let's take a look here at the diamonds. And here on the diamonds, what's interesting, we do have some more upside potential here. We didn't quite make the resistance point, and because we didn't meet that resistance point, I still think that we have some more upside potential here. And what's really interesting here on the NASDAQ is the NASDAQ gave us a jab today. That's very bullish because we closed over this resistance line, and we have a lot of upside potential here. So with this, I'm going to take this line, move it to this new swing low that we just put in. I feel really good with this line. And I'm going to take this line, bring it up to this highest close of this swing low. And I have a lot of upside potential here. On small caps, we remember how I said we're just staying here looking for a lot of upside potential. Boom, we come up here, we challenge those areas of resistance, pulled back from that. But I think with the strength we have with today's big volume, that we have a good chance of breaking through the market. So breaking through the markets here should be good. Now, as I told everybody before, here on the Spiders, I look to go long if we made a new high, and sure enough, we made the new high. I'm holding more than a half dozen stock or positions at this moment, and I still have those. Looking for more profit gains going into the future here. I have protected myself going into that. And I did pick those up off of 2 lists. We have the Bull List off the Stock Picks V newsletter, and also the Grok Stat Picks. So if you go to grokstockpicks.com or grokstatpicks.com, I picked all my positions up from that. Now, I have a video coming up right now where I show you my positions that I had previously, and I talk about a mentorship. If you're going to learn to trade and trade for big profits, you have to have a trading mentor, and we will be doing that coming up very soon. So take the next 60 to 120 seconds and listen to this very important information. What I want to show you is this. I'm going to pull up my personal trading account. This is Interactive Brokers, and I'm going to show you and point out a few things. If you look here, I have a list of stocks that I'm holding, and my positions, the price I got into them, and the market value. Coming over here, this is my unrealized profit and loss. So at this moment, I'm up just over $19,000, and my winners at the top, the losers here at the bottom. And what I did was I realized $21,000 on Friday. So I sold a number of these off, kind of shaved down some of my position sizes, took the profit, and I made this profit within the last week or two. So I went up another 20,000, taking my wife on a nice trip in a month or so. So I'm pulling some money out. And anyway, that I'll be cutting a check, or have them issue me a check probably today or tomorrow, and get that done. Another thing I want to show you is an email that I just received yesterday, and this is from a Grok grad, Dr. Craig. I'll give you at least his first name, and we have some chats going back and forth. It says, great, yep. Made some money last year watching your videos and doing what you and the cat taught me. I know lots of people have made money this year, I added this year, because the market was up about 30-35%, but I was up over 50%, exclamation point. Anyway, that's nice success. We applaud success. We love hearing success stories. This is a Grok graduate. His account is basically darn near doubled what the markets have done. And his account grew by 50% because of that. So it's very nice. Anyway, you've already set the perfect foundation to become a great trader. What we're doing is going in and looking and devouring charts. So by the time we're done with mentoring, you're going to have some very important skill sets. What we're trying to do here is make money. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is make money, but we've taught you to trade and trade well, and let money be the byproduct of that good behavior in the markets. So what's in it for you? After taking this mentorship, you're going to reach a new level, mastering your trading through technical analysis. You're going to gain secrets to instantly judge and identify the very strongest of trade opportunities that are out there. You're going to know how to professionally trade the easy to spot chart patterns for swing and day trading, stocks, ETFs, futures, or currency. We're going to give you the step-by-step instructions to master advanced entry techniques. And there's going to be a heavy concentration on must-know trading patterns for the biggest money makers. The class will teach you how to instantly scan through your charts and trade the very best patterns, and ignoring those that simply suck our valuable time in the markets. We're going to teach you how to avoid from getting killed by those pesky false breakouts and breakdowns. And we're going to even teach you advanced ways on how to exploit opportunities to make money on them. You're going to reach a master's level when it comes to position sizing and how you scale in and scale out, and the strategies necessary to be able to do that with great confidence. You're going to learn an extreme amount in these 2 days. Your education has already given you a foundation to help you become a master trader. So what I'm asking you to do is enroll into this class to allow us to help make that a reality for you. So what are we doing? We're doing a mentorship. Why are we doing this? We know that not all of you guys are reaching your full potential in the markets. We're here to help you make that a reality. Do not hesitate. I hope you get signed up and join us. You will be so happy you did.